What's going on, people? Alright, so, my buddy Snake here has a old school video camera, like VHS style. Look at this damn thing. It's complete VHS. Well, shit, let me turn that upside down, right side up, whatever. Total VHS, like complete. We're gonna see if it works. We're gonna test it out, and we're gonna see if it works. It's got a light, it looks like. Oh, there's some dust right there. Check it out. Dust.
I mean, feel free to dust it if you want.
Oh, okay, I'll dust it.
Rag over there.
There's a rag.
Spoons.
Rag, spoons, rag, got it. Okay, let's wipe this off. Oh, yeah. That's an awesome VHS camera. Now that it's dust-free, slightly. This is so awesome and retro. It goes on there some way or another.
Yep, that's the way.
Yeah, it should click in.
All the way.
Nope.
Look, there's a thing there. Do you think I plugged the DC thing in right to there?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you could do that, I guess.
There's probably a different thing to charge the battery then, too. Okay, let's see. Power.
Is it plugged in?
Focus. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, yeah. Yes. Power.
Cool, man. Oh. Oops. There we go.
And the winner is...
So far, no.
No.
Look. It looks like it has to be pushed down and then pulled back. Maybe it's not getting all that way. Maybe I'm not doing it right. That's what it looks like, though.
It might be all the dust, too. That's a lot of dust. I didn't get all that.
What could that thing be?
Some kind of adapter.
Yeah. Oh, for like a TV, probably.
Oh, maybe.
Let's go in somewhere. I don't see another way to... This has to be the battery, though, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the battery.
So
No doubt.
Maybe
It's got it. It can only go in one way.
Yeah.
If it's not going in, well...
Oh, well, I think it probably will go in, but
That's what she said.
I saw that hole was there, and I was thinking...
That's what she said also.
Yes, it is.
Blasphemy.
Recharge before each use. So, maybe I have to find a charger for it. Or, oh. I don't think it's the dust that's keeping it from going in. But, maybe I'm not doing it right. You see? To attach, adapt, battery. Yes. Insert by angling arrows from. Wait.
Let's
Insert
see.
by aligning arrows.
Yeah, it's got to go in like that. It's got to slide in. Like, slide in.
No, it says align arrows.
Oh, align arrows. Align the arrows. Arrow alignment.
Be cool, man. Be cool.
It's the alignment man, the alignment man, alignment man, alignment man, alignment man, alignment man.
Up here, then maybe.
It doesn't like slide in.
It says align the arrows, right?
Oh, okay.
Isn't that these whole things? And
This is like.
And it says slide down. Okay.
This is like some grade school shit.
Yes, I'm terrible with these technical things sometimes. I think that's how it goes, but I don't want to force it in. It isn't going to matter.
That's what she said.
We need to charge this some kind of way. But if this goes in here, then where are we going to charge it?
That's a good question.
AV out? No, that's the.
It'd be DC.
Yeah, because.
No, wait, it'd be AC. DC is the battery, AC is powered after.
Plug, which I think, I think that is DC in. Yeah, so that's what that is.
Oh, okay. So that's the. Is that the battery? That big ass thing right there?
That's a charger, I think.
Oh.
But it doesn't look like it's.
It doesn't. That top part doesn't come off.
Yes, it does.
Oh, look at that. That's the
it's a
battery.
shock
So,
hazard.
so if that's the battery, then what the fuck is this thing? This thing is like fucking useless.
It says shock hazard, do not open. So what do we need to do now? We need to get this thing back on.
Oh no, I think it's charged or something. Was it green light or red light?
Wait, or does this go there? No, I need to put this back on and then unplug it.
Dude, I think we're drunk.
I'm not. But I'm tired. And I'm bad at these things anyways, right?
Okay, so that should be the battery for it, but it should light up green when it's done charging. It's only blinking red for some reason. Do you have the instruction manual?
No.
Oh.
Unless it's right there.
Yeah.
No, that's just parts.
Yeah. Bummer. Total bummer.